Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this great opportunity. My name is Kalyani, and we are going to debate. And our topic is very interesting topic, which is business versus job. And I prefer business, and she prefer job. So, uh, in my opinion, business is much better than job because if you want to earn more money, then you can start any type of business, and then you get more money as compared to job. And there is a no limitation of time, and it have to freedom to do anything in business. But in job you have to do that type of things which choose your manager, uh, that how and where you work. But in business you work whenever you want.
Who told you that?
You chose.
First of all, job gives you a great personality and well हो गया.
No stop yours. Act. Close the window.
First of all, job gives you a great personality and it makes you a well person. Uh, Whenever you do a job, you will get your salary in a time. But if you do a business, you don't get your money first, because you have to give your money first employees.
There is a no limitation of earning money, that how fast you earn, and what amount you earn. So in job you will have to wait for a time to take your salary, and your salary is limited in job.
But also, when the salary is limited, but in business you need to spend money for making better money. But in job you don't need to spend any money for your salary. This is the
But you will do a lot of hard work to increase your salary, and to get a promotion. So it is very difficult, and your life is very stressful about thinking your salary, promotion, and about your work. So I think in job people are very in uh, stress. People are in stress.
it's not correct, because I have a different type of job which name is government job. Everybody,
Talking about
but it is also a job. Everybody wants the government job because it's give you a lot of money, like 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs per month. But if you doing a business, you give first your salary to your employees. But if in a government job, you received your salary in time, whatever you do your work or not. And also it brings you a pension, which is a grateful which is a grateful thing. After retiring, they gives you half money, which the type of your salary.
okay. In business, if you want to start any type of business, then you do not need much education. You do not need much knowledge about education. But in job you have to much knowledge about qualification. If you have qualification, then you get a job, otherwise you can't job.
As you say, in the job we need to educated. But my opinion is, if you are doing a business and you are not a well educated person, then you need a educated manager or accountant. But in your job, you don't need anyone, because business is not doing alone. But job is, you can do your job alone.
If you want to do job, then you stay away from your family, and you face a lot of problem, and you get a little leave. So I think business is better, because when
Wait, suppose you got a big loss in your business, and you don't have any substitutes. Then what you can do? What will you do?
if we will not take a risk, then how we will become a successful person?
Okay, but if you get a lot of losses, then you get poor. How you start your business again?
Happen sometime, but not.
But sometimes, but it's not happen in job, because we can change our job in any time, but you can't start your business again. What's
Anyway, if you have your own business, then you create your schedule. Then you create your own schedule.
But I have also a schedule, because I am doing a job, and my money is separate, and I agree with my money, and I am satisfied.
Carry on.
But it's going to say वो तो satisfied हम क्या बोले जितना बोले सब बोल देंगे
खत्म.